Afternoon, it's July 23, 2026, and as we've been covering the floods from the Frio River coming into Lake Chke Canyon, this is going to be our last Highway 99 boat ramp and bridge update. The water has come through Tilden and is falling there and now is pushing into Chke Canyon Reservoir. As we fly the drone over this turbulent, mud-filled water, bringing lifeblood back into a drought-stricken reservoir, we look at the Highway 99 bridge. As we fly north, you can see the water spilling out into the sloughs. The current coming under the bridge. Lots of water. Let's just take a look. Thank you for flying with me. If you like this video, hit like. If you'd like to see more, hit subscribe. And until next time, good fishing.